How to detoxify your body naturally. Top 3 simple ways. If you struggle with constipation, occasional mild or severe headache, belly fat, fatigue, skin problems, dark circle below your eyes, gas and bad bowel movements, then according to experts, this is warning sign, and you need to detoxify your body. In this video I am going to suggest few easy, but effective tips and tricks to detoxify your body home remedies. Please watch this video until end. Nowadays toxins are in food, water, are everywhere. When you eat these foods which are grown using chemical fertilizers and pesticide, this toxin keeps accumulating in your body. Over the time these toxins start interfering in your metabolism and you get symptoms like headache, energy drain, belly fat, etc. Here are top 5 ways to detoxify your body. These remedies are simple and you can use every day. Number 1. Drink fresh water. You should drink 1 liter of fresh water as soon as you wake up. Drink it before breakfast at least. Drinking water in morning will replenish your body and will flush all the toxins while urinating. You should repeat it every day. Make sure this water is filtered and there is no chlorine in this. You may use water filters. I have given the link in description. Number 2. Green tea. You can switch from coffee or tea to green tea. Green tea is about 30% polyphenols including large amounts of a catechin called EGCG. These are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage and provide other benefits. It helps to detoxify your body and reduce excess fat from your body. Green tea can improve brain function and make you smarter. Researchers have proven that green tea helps to reduce breast cancer, prostate cancer, colorectal cancer, etc. Number 3. Lemon juice. Lemon juice helps to detoxify your body naturally. You can mix lemon juice in drinking water and drink in the morning, at least an hour before eating meal. It is a good source of vitamin C and promotes hydration in your body. It is helpful if you are trying to lose weight. Lemon juice is helpful to prevent kidney stone. This is how you make lemon water. When making lemon water, use fresh lemons. Squeeze half a lemon into 8 ounces of warm or cold water. To make it more healthy, use filtered water and organic lemons. Mix a few leaves of mint, a teaspoon, honey, a slice of fresh ginger, and a dash of cinnamon in the lemon water for more benefits. Start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water and see the difference. Please try these home remedies and suggested tricks. Please share your comments below, and if you have question, please ask it in comment box. I will reply it my best knowledge. Thanks for watching and please give thumbs up to this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel.